Are you tired of scooping litter every day? Imagine a world where your cat's litter box stays clean, fresh, and odor-free, automatically. In today's video, we're diving into the best automatic cat litter boxes of 2025, featuring the latest tech innovations that make pet care effortless. From self-cleaning mechanisms to app-controlled monitoring and eco-friendly designs, these top picks are changing the game for cat owners everywhere. Stick around to find the perfect solution for you and your feline friend. PetPivot Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box comes with the wide-open top entrance measuring an impressive 16 by 15 inches. This thoughtful design accommodates cats of all sizes, allowing them to move freely and comfortably while mimicking the natural environment they crave. The open-top setup also promotes excellent ventilation, helping to reduce odors effectively and keeping the surrounding area fresh and pleasant. Safety is paramount with this cat litter box. Equipped with advanced multiple sensors, the device automatically halts its cleaning cycle the moment it detects your cat entering the box. This feature provides peace of mind, ensuring your pet's safety during their bathroom breaks while reinforcing your trust in the product's reliability. One of the most attractive features of the PetPivot is its high-capacity waste bin. The generous 7-liter bin can hold up to 10 days' worth of waste for a single cat, significantly reducing the frequency of emptying and making it a hassle-free solution for busy households or those who travel often. The convenience of this feature cannot be overstated, as it keeps the litter box fresh and clean with minimal intervention. Noise-sensitive cats and their owners will particularly appreciate the ultra-quiet operation of this litter box. With noise levels below 32 decibels, it operates so silently that it won't disturb your pet during their visits or disrupt the peace of your home, even during the night. What truly sets the PetPivot apart is its simplicity and efficiency. Unlike many self-cleaning litter boxes that require app setups or Wi-Fi connections, this model boasts a plug-and-play design. You can start using it straight out of the box without any technical hassle. ZeaCotio Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This litter box effortlessly handles the demands of modern pet parenting, boasting an impressive 90-liter roller capacity that accommodates cats of all sizes, from small kittens weighing just over 2 pounds to larger breeds up to 33 pounds. The 15-liter waste bin is a standout feature, capable of holding up to 15 days' worth of waste. For busy owners or those who travel frequently, this means less worry and more time to focus on the things you love while your cat enjoys a consistently clean and fresh environment. Equipped with 6 precise sensors, the system carefully detects your cat's presence, ensuring the cleaning cycle activates only when your pet is safely away. The built-in delay mechanism adds another layer of security, making the entire process stress-free for your furry companion. What sets this litter box apart is its smart control functionality, providing you with remote access through a dedicated app. From tracking your cat's usage habits to receiving real-time updates about the litter box status, the app ensures you remain connected to your pet's hygiene needs, no matter where you are. Designed to accommodate single or multiple cats, it is compatible with all types of litter, making it an adaptable solution for any household. The odor control feature effectively neutralizes unpleasant smells, ensuring your home remains fresh, even in multi-cat environments. ZeaCotio's dedication to customer satisfaction shines through with its lifetime support commitment. Should you encounter any issues or have questions about your litter box, their responsive and reliable after-sales team is always on hand to assist. MeowWhimsy Automatic Cat Litter Box. The MeowWhimsy Automatic Cat Litter Box is the ultimate game-changer for cat owners, especially those managing multi-cat households. With its massive 110-liter capacity, this self-cleaning litter box is designed to comfortably accommodate multiple cats, making it a standout choice for families with furry companions of varying sizes. The spacious interior provides ample room for your cats to move around and drastically reduces the need for frequent maintenance, offering unmatched convenience for busy owners. One of the most impressive features is its fully automated cleaning system, which ensures the litter box remains spotless after each use. This advanced technology immediately scoops waste, creating a consistently hygienic environment for your cats. The cleanliness it maintains relieves you and your pets, ensuring they always return to a fresh, welcoming space. Comes with app-controlled features that bring modern convenience right to your fingertips. The dedicated mobile app allows you to monitor and control the litter box from anywhere, offering real-time updates on your cat's usage and the litter box's status. Whether you need to adjust the cleaning schedule, manage settings, or receive notifications about when it's time for maintenance, the app ensures you are always in the loop, no matter where you are. A standout feature of this innovative litter box is its advanced odor control technology. Equipped with an aromatherapy box and an odor-free liner, it goes above and beyond to neutralize unpleasant smells. This means no more worrying about lingering odors in your home, even if you have multiple cats using the same box. The MeowWhimsy automatic litter box comes as a complete setup, including essential accessories like a liner, a litter mat, and an aromatherapy box. This all-in-one solution ensures you have everything you need for a seamless experience from the moment you set it up. WARCAT W24 Self-Cleaning Automatic Cat Litter Box. Designed with advanced features of safety mechanisms, this litter box eliminates any worries about your feline's well-being. Its intelligent sensors can detect when your pet is nearby, automatically halting operations to ensure a secure environment. What truly sets the WARCAT W24 apart is its seamless app-controlled functionality. The intuitive application, which operates on a 2.4 GHz connection, provides a comprehensive way to manage your cat's litter box from anywhere. With real-time tracking of usage time and litter volume, it offers valuable insights into your pet's habits. The app also simplifies maintenance by enabling one-touch cleaning, effortless litter changes, and customizable cleaning schedules. These features mean you can ensure a clean and comfortable space for your cat without constant manual intervention. Cleaning the litter box has never been this straightforward, designed for easy dismantling, allowing you to empty and rinse the litter compartment effortlessly. For daily maintenance, all you need is a water gun to rinse the interior while gently wiping the base with a damp rag to keep it spotless. Odor control is another standout feature of this litter box. Equipped with dual-activated charcoal deodorizing compartments, it ensures your home remains fresh and free from unpleasant smells. The compartments fit snugly into grooves on the top of the litter box, working efficiently to neutralize odors without requiring constant replacements or adjustments. From the litter mat and power adapter, to 2 rolls of litter bags and 2 charcoal deodorizing packs, it comes ready for immediate use. Its compatibility with any litter bag measuring 17.7 inches in diameter or larger further adds to its versatility, making it adaptable to your preferences and needs. Despite its high-tech capabilities, it operates quietly, producing just 35 decibels of noise. The added night mode feature lets you and your pet enjoy undisturbed sleep, making it a well-rounded solution for 24-hour convenience. Ruiliangai Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Safety is paramount, and this litter box excels with its high-precision radar detection system. The moment your cat enters during a cleaning cycle, the sensors immediately detect their presence and halt the process, ensuring complete safety. Cleaning is also a breeze with an inner drum designed for effortless removal and deep cleaning. Control and monitoring have never been easier thanks to the seamless app, connectivity over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Through the dedicated app, users can remotely manage the litter box and access detailed health tracking for their cats. Real-time data, including toilet visits, frequency, timing, and weight changes, are pushed directly to your device, offering valuable insights into your pet's behavior and health status. This innovative feature ensures you remain informed and can detect any unusual patterns promptly, making it an indispensable tool for attentive pet care. The Ruiliangai litter box tackles odor control with exceptional efficiency. A specialized odor-proof cover and scented gel work in tandem to neutralize smells, maintaining a fresh and hygienic environment in your home. The built-in ultra-quiet motor, operating at a mere 35 decibels, ensures the unit runs silently. Whether you're working from home, napping, or sleeping at night, the sleep mode offers a serene experience for both you and your pet, free from disruptive noises. Eliminating the need for manual scooping, it features a hands-free self-cleaning system that automatically separates waste from clean litter. The waste is neatly deposited into a 10-liter collection compartment, capable of holding up to 10 days of waste for a single cat. Unlike traditional drawer-style bins, this model's smart waste management prevents accumulation and ensures cleanliness with minimal effort. Ease of use is a defining feature with a tool-free installation and disassembly process that simplifies every aspect of maintenance. One-click emptying makes replacing litter and cleaning the drum straightforward and time-efficient. Beyond its practical design, the Ruiliangai team provides exceptional customer service, standing by its commitment to resolving any issues swiftly and effectively. And there you have it, the best automatic cat litter boxes of 2025. These smart solutions are designed to make life easier for you and more comfortable for your cat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest pet tech and innovations. Let us know in the comments which litter box caught your eye or if you've tried any of these yourself.